Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload an MP3 music file to Wix. This is a very simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. Adding audio files to your website can be useful if you want to include background music, podcasts, audio clips, music previews, or any other type of sound content for your visitors. If you want to add music or audio content to your Wix site, the first thing you need to do is open your website inside the Wix editor, so you're on the page where you want to manage your content. Make sure you are editing the correct page where you want the audio file to be used. This will help you place your content exactly where you need it on your website. Once you're on your site page, look to the top left corner of the editor and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps different elements and content options that you can place into your website or upload into your project. The Add menu gives you access to different website features, including design elements, media, and uploaded content that you can use to customize your pages. After you click Add, a menu will open with several choices. From that menu, select Upload. This option allows you to bring files directly from your computer into your Wix account. When you click it, Wix will give you the option to choose a file from your device. At this point, locate the MP3 music file you want to upload and select it from your computer. Before uploading, make sure the file is saved in an easy-to-find location on your computer. This can help you quickly select the correct audio file without searching through multiple folders. After that, the upload will begin. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Larger audio files may require more upload time, so it's best to wait until the process is fully complete before closing the editor. Once the upload is complete, Wix will automatically place the file into your Wix media library. This is the central location where your uploaded files are stored, so you can access them later whenever you need them. The Wix media library helps you keep all your website files organized, including images, videos, and audio files that you upload for your projects. When you see the MP3 file appear in the Wix media library, that means the upload was successful. From there, your music file is now available inside your Wix account and ready for you to use as needed within your site. You can access the uploaded file again whenever you need it, without having to upload the same file multiple times. A helpful tip is to make sure your audio file is clearly named before uploading it, so it's easier to find later in your library, especially if you plan to upload multiple files over time. For example, instead of keeping a file name like audio123.mp3, you can rename it to something more specific like homepage-background-music.mp3 or podcast-intro.mp3. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're uploading the correct MP3 version you want to use, since that can save time later. Checking your file before uploading helps prevent mistakes and makes managing your website content much easier. And that's it. You simply go to your site page, click Add in the top left, choose Upload, upload the file from your computer, and then find it in your Wix media library. Once you've done it one time, the process becomes very quick and easy. After you understand where the upload option is located, you can add new MP3 files to your Wix website whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.